This is my last unboxing of today. So I just opened this box. This is, oh crap, another Kiss and White. I just unboxed one then. They sent me one last week and now this week as a surprise. Like, what? You see, like, wow. They sent me a lot of things. Okay, so this is their social media. Okay, in case you want to follow them. Well, okay, so this is exciting. The first thing that I see are eyebrow stencils. What? I didn't know they sold these. These are pretty cool. Well, like me, I have a lot of hair on my brows. I don't need stencils at all, like, to fill the shape. Like, I already have my shape. I don't really need to use brow product as much, just like fill a little bit. That's it. But if you don't have brow hairs and you need help like guiding you, like to have a specific shape where you apply the product, then definitely check these out. I tried these before when these were barely trending almost 10 years ago. And I ruined my brows because doing these I overplugged and it ruined my shape a little, just a little, because I got them done once professionally and they did the shape perfectly. They did my brows very good and it was threading. I don't know how to say it, threading. And ever since then, I don't have money to go to the mall every freaking 2 weeks to get my brows threaded. I'm like, and also it was super painful. Damn, I had no money and it's still the same. That's hilarious. Oh my god, it's so freaking hot. I'm sweating. Okay, so what led to that story is that I decided to buy these eyebrow stencils to create my own eyebrow shape and like take off the freaking hairs with regular tweezers instead of threading. I don't need this anymore. But this is perfect whenever I do have clients and they don't have any type of brows. I can pop these in and be like, which brow do you want? Do you want this brow shape? This one? You want thicker brows? You want a spiky one? Like curvy one? Like, you know. And then you place them and then with the stem you and you're done. And you fill it in and it's super cool. But it's hard to make them even by yourself. It's better when somebody does it for you because they get to hold, and it's hard whenever you do it by yourself. It kept like moving for me. It was like hard. And then you have to go back because you missed a spot and you're like, it's tricky. So yeah, just practice and be careful and watch videos. So these are all the styles. It has the names. To me personally, I don't like these shapes. I prefer like mine, which is just super simple. I don't really have a lot of art going on. Like these have a lot of, but you know. Anyways, the next thing is nail strengthening cream. Oh, I never tried this. It's pretty cool. So this comes with biotin. Okay, so I guess this is for your hands and your nails. Oh no, you massage into nails and cuticles daily. So right here, the cuticles and the actual nail, so it makes your, you know, nails even better. Oh, you have to use this at least 2 to 3 times a day, like that. And you can even apply it over nail polish. Okay, so I think these are for people that use a lot of acrylic fake nails. They get damaged a lot. Ooh, you know, it's horrible. So If you struggle with that, you have to use this daily. It supposedly helps with that. It has like coconut oil and all these things. So I'll probably still use it even though I don't have that issue. And because it also makes your nails grow and makes them look healthier. So supposedly this has it. Okay, so I need to get more vitamins, by the way. Okay, so especially now that I'm doing like getting into all that, you see how cool it looks. It looks so cute. Ooh, it smells like baby powder mixed with coconut oil, like baby wipes and coconut. Oh, it smells so good. I'm gonna switch. I'm gonna put. Smells so good. Like, ooh, it feels like very moisturizing, like coconut oil mixed, super soft and silky. This is super moisturizing and doesn't feel thick like traditional cream, like super like oil. You see it looks shiny. Ooh, this is definitely moisturizing. Oh, I never felt this before. It feels super nice. Okay, I like this so far. Nobody was outside these days, and whenever I decide to film, everybody is out. Like, really, it's annoying. Okay, so the next thing, ooh, it's an instant brow stamp and stencil kit. Wow. Okay, so this is cool. So it's pretty much like the eyebrow stamp. You put it like that on your eyebrows and then you stamp. Is basically the same thing. Oh, you can even use it to cover it all right here, so it looks like you have more hair and your bald spots. Like me, I have bald spots. Or if you're a man and your beard, you can see the difference. Ooh, I'm pretty cool. This is pretty cool. I want to use this. Okay, and it comes with a brush, I'm assuming. The stencils, the brow stamp. Let me open it. And this is in the shade black brown. Good, because I'm a brunette. I definitely need. Yeah, this is my shade. Okay. Ooh, so exciting. Wow. You see? Ooh, it's super small. Super small brush. And the stencils. And the brow stem is tiny too. I thought it was going to be bigger for some reason, but... Okay. Let me open it. You see? Oh, oop, I thought it was gonna be plain. Ooh, so sort of an interesting scent. Okay, so it's light brown and the product is there, like, okay. It's interesting. Maybe I have to open it from here. I don't know how to use this. I guess like dab it here and then that's it. Interesting product. Wow, it's so exciting. Ooh, I need a guy model so I can show this. I don't have a boyfriend. I mean, I'll just find some guy, random guy on the street, no kidding. Or like some, yeah. Ooh, okay. It's so fun. So fun. Okay. Let me wipe here. Okay. The next thing is this nail saver. Ooh, what's this? Oh, damn. That looks like a beat up infected nail. And then supposedly this saves it. Like, what the heck? It restores fingernails and toenails. So it has like biotin, tea tree oil, like a lot of ingredients. So if you use this for 4 weeks straight, you're gonna see a difference. So you apply it every day and night. So that's interesting. I don't need this. Luckily, I don't have busted nails like that, or infected, or like toe fungus. But I'm guessing it's for that. Interesting. Okay. The next thing they sent me is, ooh, yay, nail polish. Ooh, I love the shade. It's super cool. It's a super silvery, metallic-y. And this is in the shade Gold Chrome. Alright. I love this. I know I'm gonna use. Ooh, these are perfect for photo shoots or like birthday nails. I know I'm gonna use this a lot for cool special occasions. Wow, I love the shade. Super alien vibes. Ooh, space vibes. I want to swatch it. I want to use this shade already, but no. I barely painted my nose this week. Like, no. It's super pretty. Wow, I'm so excited. Damn, you see? I just love the shade. Ooh, a lip product. So this is 24 karat gold natural oil lip gloss. Ooh, it's pretty cool. It has like gold sparkles. Ooh, I never seen a lip product like that before. Have y'all? Like, what? It has literally gold sparkles. Oh, it smells so good, like coconut. But you see, it's just clear. I don't see any sparkle. Yeah, I don't see these chunks whenever I swatch. It's just traditional lip gloss. And it feels like the other lip oils I just unboxed. But maybe this one a little bit more sticky. It feels sticky little. It smells like coconut. It smells so good. It just, you're not gonna be able to see the gold sparkles I thought, but no. But it looks so cool, right? To see. But it's not gonna be on your lips. It's just clear. So, in case y'all are wondering, like, I don't want gold sparkles in my lip. No, it's just, oh, no wonder this is lip gloss. No wonder it felt a little bit sticker. It's lip oil and lip gloss in one. No wonder it felt like lip oil but gloss. Okay, it's an interesting formula. I like it so far. It's perfect for every day. Like, just throw it on. Okay. Ooh, I like it. It's just so pretty to look at. Okay, so. Ooh, another one. Oh, this one's a 24 karat rose gold. Ooh, it's just the same. It's just more pinkish. You look. Rose gold and gold. This one, the sparkles are a little bit more tiny, but they look very pretty. Very, very pretty. It's the same one, the same formula, the same shade. They're both clear. This is very pretty. It smells great. It's just the way it looks. Is that's the only different thing. It looks, this one's a little bit more pinkish. This one more white, clear. But they both look the same. So just get one of these. Don't get both. There's not really much difference. Both are nice though, like, but it's just, you don't need both. That's what I'm saying. Just with one. Okay. Okay, and the last two things are yay lip pencils. So this is in the shade Moulin Rouge. So it's a red shade, and then this is in the shade Nude Truffle, which is more of a brown shade. So let me open the plastic. Okay, finally I opened it. So this is the brownish and this is the reddish one. Ew, I'm so excited. So for this red one, ooh, and then this is the brown one. Both are very pretty shades for good for every day. So yay, I'm so excited. I'm all set for lip liners. I'm just missing like few burgundy and pinkish. I don't have pink lip liner, like super light nude. I would need more, but overall I'm good with the red and browns right now. Yay. Okay, so thank you so much, because that's basically all they sent me for today, this box. So yay, I'm so excited to use these. These are pretty cool, interesting products. This was my favorite thing, the nail polish. I love it. I love it. The shade, oh my gosh, so excited. Okay, bye. Thanks so much for watching. Yeah, unless I know how to like balance better my time and have like the energy to do it. I needed this break, maybe whenever I'm more like settled down, you know. But yep, that's it. So I hope everybody is doing great as well that watches me, because I haven't really been interacting with a lot of people on social media either, because I've been focusing a lot on my personal real life that I'm like. But yeah, I just hope everyone's great. Wish everyone the best, you know. Keep grinding, keep doing what you love doing. Please don't give up on your dreams. Sounds kind of cheesy, but it's true. Just want to inspire and motivate people that are like me, that are trying to get out there, you know. So doing what they love. All right, so okay, that's pretty much it. So I wish everyone the best. I keep saying it, but what else? Wishing everybody positive vibes. If y'all need anything, hit me up, talk to me in the comments. And sorry if I reply late, it's because of that. I've been doing other things, but what else? I feel like I had something else to say, but I can't remember. Yeah, just follow me on Instagram, even though I'm not as active on Instagram anymore either. On my social medias, like, what else? Yeah, that's pretty much it. So okay, bye. Thanks so much for watching.